So last year I made this rose under glass, but I had a couple of failures before I got to this. And the first one was this one here, that the rose actually heated up and turned brown. And a lot of you said that you were interested in seeing this one completed. So I thought I'd just do a really quick video of that. One of the main reasons why this blank failed was because of how much it overheated, and that can be seen down here where the resin actually started what looks like boiling, and so it kind of boiled away down here, and as it was doing that it probably started to cure, which is why you've got a really strange gaps and holes down here at the base. Got a little catch there. Not the end of the world. Just a little one. Just a baby catch. I think I was more interested in what my curls were looking like than where my tool was. So that shape is good. I think that's pretty much what we're going for. And a little bit of mess at the bench. The heavy lifting is done on the first few grits. Alright, switching over to the micro mesh pads. They're just polishing pads. Whoa, whoa, whoa there. And just progress through the grits. And I usually use these wet if I can. They makes them last a little longer and they work a little better. I'm just slopping water everywhere. I'm definitely going to have to make sure I don't have standing water on my lathe. Well, it's looking really good. Let's get some of this water off of here. Oh, it's actually still a little dull. Normally, it shines up a lot better than that. Wonder what's going on there. And that is a coat of wipe-on polyurethane. The surface was really nice, but for some reason we didn't get a nice shine out of it, and I don't know why. This is a quick solution. My lathe is turning at 100 RPMs, so we won't get any drips. I'll just let it spin like that till it dries. You spit it out. You drop it. Drop it. Oh, I could never stay angry at you. Right, it's still turning at 100. Let's go a wee bit faster than that. We've got a flat surface here, and we widen this opening. Can turn it around and work on the front of it, top of it. Oh yeah, perfect. Wow. It's fine, it's just, it seems a little large, so I'm just going to bring the whole thing in a little bit. Since we used Wipe On Poly on the rose, I think we should use it on the base as well. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So this one is a bit more macabre, but with the leaves and the placement, it was exactly where I wanted it. And this maple is just, I don't know, it's really interesting, and I think it just works well for what we've got here, which is a very dark rose. And I ended up making 2 more after this. The third one was the one that I ended up using in that video. But a lot of you had said that you were interested in seeing what this one looked like completed, and so this is for you. I think this one, its flaws are what make it interesting. Yeah. And everyone asked in the last video for us to add a light, so we decided to do that in this one.
Nice.
Doesn't that look cool? Red?
Oh,
blue?
yellow rose. Green's pretty. I like the green.
Yeah, I do too. Kind of makes the petals look like they were...
fresh.
Yeah, exactly. And this was your favorite, right?
Yeah, it was.
Which is hilarious. Because I worked so hard to make a perfect rose in there, and you ended up preferring...
this one.
Yeah.
And I was right.
Yeah, you were. I'm glad we kept it. So thank you all for your suggestions,
and we're on restriction just like everybody else
On the planet.
on the planet. So, you know, maybe we'll make a few more of these kind of quick videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.